Everyone is questioning one common question again and again, even people from the Phi-Con civilization. The question is, how old is Sanamahi Pahangpa Lining, and who is the founder of our religion? Let's see. Islam founded by Muhammad. More than 1400 years. Christianity founded by Jesus, more than 2000 years. Buddhism founded by Lord Gautam Buddha, more than 2500 years. According to this Wikipedia, they Sanamahi. Lining is only more than 3800 years old, and Hinduism is only more than 4000 years old. But this doesn't support the fact that we Tangkul Meitei Kabwi, or all 7 clans tribes, belong to Mount Kubru or Kopulu civilization, where our forefathers settled there for more than 20,000 years, along with Laimi, the demigods and goddesses, written in Po-Ya, and all these remnants of the civilization supports the fact. Our religion is evolved, being practiced, way of life with human civilization, and there is no founder of such philosophy. Same goes for Hinduism. There was not even a question religion back then. So I would like to conclude that Sanamahi Pahangpa Lining is a way of life, a philosophy evolved throughout the human civilization, a spiritual practice where our ancestors are being adored and worshipped. It was originated with the human civilization since time immemorial and will practice throughout the end of time. Simply these ways of faith is eternal.